For Traders Workshop, Lesson 2. In this video, I'm just going to go over the 4-hour, the 8-hour chart, PIPLOCKER alert, and candlestick reversal patterns. Very simple process that I use to find support resistance levels on higher time frames, wait for the trade signal on PIPLOCKER, and execute a trade. And here's one example back in February 25th, when markets were essentially consolidating for 2 days. Stochastics was oversold on a 4-hour chart, and to confirm, I look at the 8-hour chart, and both charts are giving me oversold conditions. So all I needed to do is wait for an alert for PIPLOCKER, and PIPLOCKER is very useful when you are not at your computer. It will generate a signal, and then you can look at your chart to see if it's a valid signal to take, and in this case it was. Notice a pullback, which is this is a bullish engulfing candle on an 8-hour chart. 4-hour chart, we also had a bullish engulfing candle, so we have many reasons why we should be taking this trade on PIPLOCKER. And this candle would have been the entry, 311 pips, using an 8-hour and 4-hour chart to confirm a trade. Here's another sell signal on PIPLOCKER. Notice the 8-hour chart, stochastic is overbought. And I scroll down to the 4-hour chart, and the 4-hour chart is also overbought, and it's giving us divergence as well. Candlestick pattern is an inside bar. That's a reversal candlestick pattern. And the trade is taken on the next candle, 144 pips. What we're looking for is 4-hour and 8-hour chart confirmation, PIPLOCKER alert, and a candlestick reversal pattern. Here is a bullish engulfing candle on a 4-hour chart. Notice the stochastic is oversold. I switch over to the 8-hour chart. Stochastics is also oversold. And we have another candlestick pattern here, which is a hammer. And the entry is on the 4-hour chart. And in this trade, 120 pips before it collapsed. Another PIPLOCKER trade alert. This one actually was generated on the 1-hour chart. So we look at the candlestick pattern. Notice this is a double top with an inside bar. Stochastics is showing us overbought conditions with divergence. Switch over to the 4-hour chart for confirmation. We have a bearish dark cloud or bearish engulfing candle, and stochastics is overbought as well. Recap: using either a 1-hour, 4-hour, or 8-hour chart, PIPLOCKER alert system, and candlestick reversal pattern, and stochastics indicator when it is down at 20 and up at 80. Remember, stochastics, when it's down at 20, wants to go all the way up to 80. Once it hits 80, it wants to go back down to 20. So it just oscillates. Combination of an alert system, stochastics indicator giving you buy or sell signal, candlestick patterns generate, and all these trades were taken, and the alerts that you see without number of pips were the ones that I missed. So I'll post the PIPLOCKER link on the bottom of this YouTube video. If you have any questions, just email me. Thanks for watching.